I'm not talking of curves. When we look at a person, there are different shapes people are of. You know, they are sometimes triangle shape, sometimes they are square in shape. These are things that we do to measure or to evaluate your shape. Now, when you are, usually the advice is when you are square shape, or we are not going to name fruits here like apple and pear, but triangular. Triangular means that your upper body is wider and your lower body is, upper body is narrow and lower body is wider. Triangular shape is me, right? Rose is an inverted triangular shape. That means she has an upper body which is wider and a lower body which is narrower. And when you want to appear slim in this kind of a body where your upper body is wider, you have very thin thighs, what you do is you use this trick of layering yourself. So what Rose can do is, instead of throwing away all her horizontal lined shirts, what she can do is, come over Rose. Ritu, can you see the difference? What happens is, you're still wearing the horizontal lines, but you have added a layer of a scarf. Yeah? So what that does is, generally you are called fat by people or wide or overweight. When their eye moves from one side to the other, the longer it takes, they perceive you as fatter. You understand what I'm saying? When a person looks at you, when they look at you from left to right or right to left, that means in a direction that is not vertical, horizontal, the longer their eyes move or take time to move from one end of the body to the other end of the body, they feel that you are wider. So to cut that optical, perception of theirs, what you do is, you make them look at you only from one end to the other end, and you shorten the distance where they need to look at you. So Rose has done that by using a scarf. Okay, so we are also talking of accessories that you can use. One of the accessories that she has used is these multiple chains. That also cuts her body. So optically we need to cut our body into more than one wide body. Either you can see what I have done is also, I am wearing a jacket which has cut my body into 3 parts. That means the space that you see generally is what is highlighted because this is red. So you look at this portion of the body and not look at how wide or how my body varies in terms of an ideal body. So my variations will not be your focus. So thank you, Rose.